You've got your towels, you've got your gear, you've got a fun day planned for the great outdoors. The challenge? How do you get everything from point A to point B and back again? It's simple. An enormous 15 by 24 by 13 inches, our Titan striped bag is easy to carry and hold everything you need wherever you go. The Titan striped bag comes in 4 colors that match our most popular beach towel colors, and the Titan beach bag is available in black. With 7 outer pockets, you're sure to stay organized anywhere you go. While on the beach, the rugged mesh material keeps sand from accumulating on the bottom of the bag. One thing is certain, both Titan bags are sure to make life easier.